So you wake up and everything's going swimmingly. There's this bowl of freshly sourced organic granola and a full carton of milk which is magically waiting for you on the bench. You remove the lid from the milk carton and you proceed to pour the milk. And as you begin to pour, tragedy strikes. And it strikes hard. This blow to your day, it's followed with feelings such as or I'm going to tell you how to fix this.
Dave alive!
Hi, I'm Dave. This is the Mr. Beast 100 video number 2. If you'd like to know what the goodness gracious that is, go here. Let's continue. Here's where you went wrong. Take a look at this illustration. You'll notice that this milk carton is held with the nozzle positioned at the bottom of the milk carton. And inside the carton, situated above the nozzle, is all the milk and its weight waiting to be released. If you remove the lid, all the weight of the milk comes gushing out with aggressive momentum. And it eventually turns into this periodic throwing-like action. The solution. Hold the carton so that the nozzle is on top. Now, as you pour, there's only this thin layer of milk creating a gentle and loving momentum.
What?
I know, right? Dawn Patrol, actual factual delicious coffee. Thank you for the filming location for the Mr. Beast 100 video number 2. Patreon. Okay, good talk. Ah!